Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the printer in error state error, also known as error printing, when the printer could not print. Let's get started. First, check the basics. Make sure your printer is powered on, properly connected to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi, and that it has enough paper and ink or toner. Sometimes a simple restart of both the printer and your computer can solve the problem. Next, confirm that your printer is set as the default printer. To do this, go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer and select Set as Default Printer. This ensures your computer sends print jobs to the correct device. If that doesn't fix it, try updating the printer drivers. Press Windows plus X, open Device Manager, expand Printers, right-click your printer, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. You should also try restarting the Print Spooler service, which manages print jobs. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Find Print Spooler in the list, right-click it, and select Restart. This clears any stuck print tasks and refreshes the printing system. Finally, if you still see the error, uninstall and reinstall your printer. Go back to Devices and Printers, right-click your printer, choose Remove Device, and then add it again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the printer in error state problem, and your printer should now work without issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.